Today's topic is already have known that how can you study your conversation Stanley? Yes, there's a way to study your conversation Stanley. You don't have any friends. They are busy with their work, but you need to practice your English spoken because you want to be fluent, you want to learn something. But right now, I'm going to show you how I start my conversation Stanley. We're going to learn some vocabulary related to traveling. Stay with me. Hey ChatGPT, I want to practice my vocabulary about traveling. So this is Friday. I really want to learn some vocabulary about related to traveling. So are you ready? And it's going to be one by one. Okay, I'm ready for the first one.
Awesome. Let's kick it off with the word destination. Destination is simply the place you're traveling to, like a city, country, or...
So destination means simply the place you have traveling to city. Like you are going to somewhere, like we got a plan to go to somewhere like Coxbazar. So I got a plan to go to Coxbazar, or I got a plan to go to Sylhet. If somebody wants to say where I want to go, so we're gonna say, yeah, our destination is Sylhet. Okay, I'm game for the next one.
Awesome. Let's go with the next word, accommodation. Accommodation refers to the place where you stay during your trip, like a hotel, hostel, or rental. So if you're traveling, you book your accommodation in advance.
So people think about that accommodation means like not only staying cost, it's like including having foods or something like that, but it's not true. Accommodation is related to only the cost of staying.
That's right. Accommodation is specifically about where you stay and sleep, like lodging, hotel rooms, or hostels. It doesn't include food, which is usually considered separately, like meal costs or dining expenses. So you've got it perfectly.
Anyway, so we can jump for the next one.
All right, let's move on to the next word. How about we talk about itinerary next, or would you like another term? Let me know.
Itinerary sounds really great. So what does it mean by itinerary?
Great question. An itinerary is essentially a detailed plan for your trip. It includes all the places you'll visit, the activities you'll do, and the schedule for each day. It helps keep everything organized and ensures you know what to expect during your...
So itinerary means like if I want to go somewhere, and before going to somewhere I need a plan, like a full schedule, full plan where I will go and where I will stay, where I will eat, and everything related to the traveling or going somewhere. The full package plan is called itinerary. Am I right?
You've got it absolutely right. An itinerary is indeed that complete plan that covers all aspects of your trip, where you'll go, where you'll stay, what you'll eat, and all the activities you'll do. It's like a roadmap for your journey. Great job grasping that.
I'm game for the next one.
Awesome. Let's go with the next word. How about transportation? Transportation refers to the means of getting from one place to another during your trip, like flights, trains, buses, or even rental cars. It's a key part of travel planning.
Oh, transportation. So transportations means like if I want to go somewhere, I need vehicles, right? Like I could have buses or planes or like cars or bikes, whatever I need. So if I want to go somewhere, like buses, trains, and flights and rental cars, you mentioned already, and this is called transportations.
Yes, exactly. Transportation is all about the various vehicles or means you use to travel from one place to another, like buses, trains, flights, rental cars, and even bikes. It's definitely the way you get around during your journey. You explained it perfectly. Transportations. Okay, nice word.
Anyway, so let's get for the next one.
Absolutely. Let's keep it going. How about the next word, tourist attraction? A tourist attraction is a place or site that draws visitors because of its beauty, history, culture, or significance. For example, the Eiffel Tower in Paris or the Grand Canyon in the US. Let me know if that sounds good or if you want to explore something else.
So tourist attraction means like something is so famous, like a place is so famous and popular, and tourists usually love to explore the place. It is called tourist attraction. Am I right?
Exactly, you've nailed it. A tourist attraction is indeed a place that's well known and popular among travelers, drawing people in with its unique appeal. whether it's historical significance, natural beauty, or cultural importance.
Okay, if I want to name some tourist attraction in Bangladesh, what can I say?
Great question. In Bangladesh, there are several popular tourist attractions. For example, Cox's Bazar is famous for having the world's longest natural sea beach. Then there's the Sundarbans, which is the largest mangrove forest in the world and home to the Bengal tiger. You could also mention places like Sri Mangal, known for its tea gardens, or the historic city of Paharpur with its ancient Buddhist ruins. Lots of beautiful spots to explore.
Wow, so you have known a lot of things about Bangladesh. You mentioned very well. Yes, we got a lot of tourist attractions in Bangladesh. So it is called tourist attraction. Cox Bazar, Silhite, Tea Garden, you said Molavi Bazar, okay. And you have mentioned Sundarbans, yes. Sundarbans are tourist attractions also. Anyways, very nice, very nice. Okay, keep it up. So, tourist attractions. Anyway, so I'm game for the next one.
Absolutely, and I'm glad you enjoyed that. Let's keep it rolling. Next up, how about the word excursion? An excursion is a short journey or trip, usually taken for leisure, education, or enjoyment. It's often a day trip away from your main destination. Let me know if that works for you.
Okay, excursion. Excursion means short trip. It could be half day to full day or 2 or 3 days. Okay, so excursion. Okay, nice. Okay, so I'm ready for the next one.
Perfect. I'm glad you're enjoying it. For the next one, let's go with the word sightseeing. Sightseeing refers to the activity of visiting and exploring interesting places, landmarks, and attractions, especially when traveling. It's all about discovering and appreciating the sights of a place.
Sightseeing, what I have visited, like what I explored. If I go to Cox's Bazar, so I should visit like Cox's Bazar Sea Beach and then the city and the fish market. Okay, so what I have explored is called sightseeing.